This sun-filled home is privately and perfectly sited, overlooking 4+ acres of wooded conservation land. Wake up each morning to the views of the natural surrounding landscape. So much privacy, yet located in a cul-de-sac neighborhood in North Sudbury, just minutes from the South Acton and West Concord commuter rail into Boston. A spacious first level features a home office with built-ins, a living room, and a banquet-sized dining room. This room flows effortlessly into the chef's kitchen with double wall ovens, a fantastic granite counter prep space, and casual dining area, which opens to the vaulted, fireplace family room featuring a bay window. Large master suite boasts a separate dressing room, an expansive closet space, and a master bath with a jacuzzi and separate shower. The second level also offers 3 generous-sized bedrooms and a double vanity family bath. The bright walkout lower level houses a home gym, a secondary office, and media area or recreation space, and there's plenty of room for expansion in the unfinished walkout space. Suburban meets rural in this quiet town of Sudbury, Massachusetts, just slightly less than 25 miles from Boston. The 2020 population in Sudbury is 18,934. The Sudbury school system is frequently ranked in the top 20 in the state. The Wayside Inn, an historic landmark in town, claims to be the oldest operating inn in the country. One notable fact, Henry Ford, founder of Ford Motor Company, lived in Sudbury during parts of the 1920s and 30s. Sudbury offers wonderful shopping such as Whole Foods, Sudbury Farms, Home Goods, and a wide variety of boutique shops.